Hey there, my name is John. I'm the CEO of Finder, and I'm here to do a little quick unboxing on my Verizon card. I got this card primarily because it gave me 50 free Verizon dollars and $10 off per phone line per month, which is just kind of an easy way to save money. But I should note that I am not trying to maximize my credit score for any major purchase right now. So I'm not trying to do anything that, buy a house or something like that in the future. So it's kind of the reason you would go after a store card is just to get this one-time discount. I'm not planning on using the Verizon card for anything else, even though it does give me points back everywhere. It's kind of just a little bit too much for me to take on for me to do that. Anyway, let's get to it. First, it had this thing with it. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh look, it's for me. It's empty. Thanks. And on the back, it tells me all the ways I can get cash back. 4% on gas and grocery, 3% on dining purchases, 2% on Verizon. Seems kind of weird.
Can you hear that?
1% on anything else. Why isn't it 5% on Verizon? That's kind of bad.
Can you hear that?
Whatever. Anyway, let's open this up. Let's see what it looks like. It has really pretty graphics on the internet. It's like this black card. Okay. Kind of a pain in the butt to open this thing. Well, whatever. Just gonna rip it open. Sorry, Verizon. There is a activation thing here. And, oh, this is my card. I think. Let's see how I get it out of here. Jesus. What is this? Oh, I pull it open. Okay, there we go. I pull it open. There's thin packaging. Sorry, environment. And finally, I get to my card. I'm only going to show you this side of it. Well, maybe I'll just show you the back of it. It says Visa, but I'm not going to really show you the rest of my numbers because it's the internet and it's a card. Cool. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.